Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, and rule number 5 gonna change your life if you're gonna implement this in a perfect manner. Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well, and in this particular video basically I'm gonna share this 5 rule from the book 5 AM Club, and that's gonna super duper powerful. All the wordings and all the thing, that's all the 5 rule are gonna amaze your paradigm and maybe the mindset that you have. So let's get started from the first rule number 1, and I'm gonna read it, and again I'm gonna give some of the example, and that's gonna you can correlate in a more and more better manner. So the very first rule number 1 is that an addiction to distraction is end of your creative production. I'm gonna repeat that line once again. An addiction to distraction is the end of your creative production. Empire makers and history creators take 1 hour of themselves before dawn, in the serenity that lies beyond the clutches of complexity, to prepare themselves for the world-class day. So you know what? If you have any kind of addiction towards a distraction, that's gonna you can say hamper your creativity in your work, whatever the kind of creativity you are doing in your work. And every successful person, if you admire, or maybe you, whatever the people you know in the whole world, they give time for themselves for 1 hour for themselves only, for making their own day as a world class. So that's all about the rule number 1. Now let's go ahead and rule number 2, that is, I'm gonna repeat here. Excuses breed no genius. Just because you haven't installed the early rising habit before doesn't mean you cannot do it now. Release your rationalizations and remember that small daily improvement, when you done consistently over a time, lead to stunning result. That's super duper powerful. See, excuses breed no genius. If you're giving excuses to yourself when you work, it's not gonna benefit for you, right? And if you haven't installed the early wake up habit in your life, it's okay. You can develop that habit from now itself. So start focusing upon that and create or install that habit, early wake up habit. You know what? Get up at 3 p.m., 2 p.m. and 12 p.m. in the day, and sleep at maybe 3 a.m. in the night, maybe 4 a.m. at the night. Even I just had slept 6 a.m. in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning, and that's how my health was suddenly. I mean, if you go through the 45 days of my health journey, that's I have explained all the things. So definitely, when I came to my hometown, now I'm waking up in the morning, and that's feeling great when I'm waking up in the morning. Now let's go ahead for the rule number 3, and that's really so much powerful. All changes is hard at the first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Everything you now find easy, you found difficult at the first. With consistent practice, getting up with the sun will become a new normal and automatic. See, any changes is so very hard at the first, messy at the middle, and you can say gorgeous, I mean super duper amazing in the end or at the last. So if you start getting up in the morning, maybe first day you got a lot more challenges, you will be not able to get up in the morning, but when you're doing practice on a consistent basis, you will be able to get up at the 5 AM club, 5 AM in the morning, right? And now let's move ahead for the rule number 4. To have the result the top 5% of producer have, you must start doing what 95% of people are unwilling to do. As you start to live like this, the majority will call you crazy, remember that being labeled as a freak is the price of greatness. That's super duper amazing. If you just wanted to be in top 5%, then you just have to do what 95% people are not doing, or you can say the what 5% people are doing. Maybe waking up in the morning is one of that, right? That's create a difference between you and other people. And now this is the rule number 5. That's also amazing, super duper, and whatever you can say that. When you feel like surrendering, continue. Triumph loves the relentless. See, when you feel like now I have tried a lot, I have tried my best, but I didn't get any result. At that time, try once again, and try once again. So that's 5 rule. That's super duper important. That what I personally feel, and I hope you definitely got value from this all 5 rules from this book. And that's it. So that's it for as of now for this particular video. I hope you got the value, and if you got the value from this video, please do share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.